Hello guys, this is Elle from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're well, and in today's videos I'm going to talk about a couple of tips about Pinterest SEO. And don't forget, you need to have a plan and a strategy for you to get traffic from the next 3 to 6 months, 3 to 9 months. As I say to my clients, I say to my students, that is easy for you to start getting the free traffic. And especially if you just started and you might think, oh, I'm gonna go pay for traffic, but I don't know where to start. It's also another issue that you might think, oh, I don't have also the budget, so for me it's gonna be difficult. So you need to start thinking about all those strategies that you can gain a lot of Pinterest traffic. And don't forget, inside my course I talk about how you can get traffic from Google by using Pinterest, and also to rank #1 on Google, because you need to start working on a free traffic and then go to paid traffic. And especially if you just started, as I say, you might don't have the budget to work, and then you're stressing and you don't know what to do. So you need to really start flying on Pinterest. So I give you a couple of tips of Pinterest SEO and how to leverage Pinterest. And then don't forget that Pinterest is changing a lot, and you need to start go with the algorithm rather than stressing on what is going on Pinterest, why your views is falling. And again, as I go to my clients and students, that you need to make sure to know what you want from Pinterest. If you want the sales, you need to go for the sales. If you want the traffic, you need to go for the traffic. If you want to, the clicks, you need to go for the clicks. So you need to know what you want. So if you go to the search engine tool and you press how to grow your business, you can see here below you have all the suggestions by the Pinterest search engine tool. Obviously, you can go more specific, like how to grow your business on Instagram, as you can see, or on Pinterest. There are beautiful pins on the top, and then you go here. So it's giving you a lot of suggestions, but also you need to make sure that you do a little bit research before that. And let's be honest, you need to have a plan of what you are going to pin for the next 3 to 6 months. Not just like do it and forget about it and then ignore the facts. And don't forget, inside my course I have tips on free keyword research tools, and also what volume to use, etc. So you need though to start from the easiest part, and as your business grows, then you need to grow and learn more about Pinterest. So here you have a couple of tips and pins on how to grow your business on Pinterest, and you going back. So you need to make sure that do a bit of a research before that. And again, sometimes the suggestions sticks and change on Pinterest, so you need to know how to leverage Pinterest, not just go and press anything in there. So again, here we have trends. If you go to analytics and you press here, you have the trends. This is very important also, guys, for you to know what is trending on Pinterest. You have so many options to rank high, and it's so easy. So you need to keep an eye also on trends. So this is, let's say, US. Just a couple of ideas. Check my previous videos also, Pinterest trends. This is what is trending now, and for you to rank high, you need also to get all those ideas for different niches, as you can see: home decor, travel, beauty. So make sure you spend some time on trends. Don't ignore those facts, because this is something Pinterest is easy to use, but you need also to learn how to do, to get a lot of organic traffic, guys, because that will give you an advantage when your account is growing. So a lot of people that have problems with Pinterest because they don't know how to use it and then stressing about algorithms, but it's so easy. So get a couple of ideas here on what is trending this month or next month. You have, the most popular categories, niches you can have a look through in terms of beauty, if you have a beauty blog. And don't forget that there is a lot of competition also, so there is a lot of blogs and there is a lot of content, so you need to leverage really to go higher. So this is something for you to remember, and keep an eye on analytics as well. But this is an easiest way for you if you just started, you don't want to spend a lot of money on ads, and you shouldn't, and you need to have a plan for the next 3 to 6 months. So that is for me today. I hope you have a lovely day. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave your comments below if you need any help or connect with me on social media.